morning. I am Josh.
And I'm Ashley.
And this is our channel, The Way Away. We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you The Way Away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, hit a little like, and hit that bell for you notifications so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go check out the Berlin East Gallery. So we're walking across this bridge now to head over to the East Side Gallery. Ashley was saying off camera that it's kind of late. We've been waking up later and later. I don't know if it's just the way that the sun is changing or not. It gets light around 7 a.m., but we're not even up till like 9, and then we slowly get ready and finish some work, and we get out of the house around 11, and then the sun goes down around 3:30 or something, so it's pretty annoying. So anyways, but now we're headed to the East Side Gallery. We're gonna go check out the wall over here, and we're gonna see what it's all about. Okay, Ashley's gonna tell us all about this because she's the expert. You look it up on Wikipedia.
An expert, yeah. So we're in East Berlin currently. We are at the East Berlin Gallery, which is a portion of the Berlin Wall, the longest standing portion of the Berlin Wall, and it's about 1 kilometer, a little over 1 kilometer, and they commissioned over 100 artists to paint on the wall. So they all have their own little portion, and we're gonna check it out. It's a great place to see a lot of street art, which if you watch our videos a lot, you know that we like street art.
Already liking the style. It looks a little bit angsty, but I'll take it. It's cool.
There's so many Instagram shots here. Our story's gonna be full of street art, but look at Berlin, how cute. There's a lot of tourists like walking around, but I can't imagine in the summertime how busy this area would be.
Oh yeah.
But it's pretty fun to see everybody just taking pictures, walking around slowly, even though it is cold outside. It's almost 0 degrees, like freezing.
Celsius.
Celsius, yeah. No.
Freezing degrees. 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh yeah.
Freezing.
I was trying to remember what my phone was in, but yeah, it's cold. It was supposed to snow today, and I had my fingers crossed, but it didn't. It's supposed to snow in 2 days on Sunday, so.
As pithy as it may sound, it's really nice that something like the Berlin Wall, something that symbolized and literally divided cultures in a country, something like that has been turned into a gallery to talk about politics and worldviews and just display art at the same time. I like when something like this is turned into something like it is now. It gives me a little bit of hope, and that's the stuff I appreciate about art, especially is when not only does it make a statement, but it's generally reflecting on the past and a hope for the future, and I think that's what a lot of this art is saying. Of course, you don't know because the artist isn't here to explain it, but you get your own interpretation.
Going down.
Technology is going down. I hate this. We finally got our drone back from Paris where we left it because we couldn't have it when we were in Morocco. And I went to go fly it to get some shots of this river and stuff. And the DJI app updated in the background while I was connected to Wi-Fi, and then I launched it and it's like, please sign in. And you have to have Wi-Fi to sign in. And I'm out here in the middle of everywhere trying to fly it, and it just basically bricked my thing. I can't fly it unless I go back home or to Wi-Fi and sign into my DJI account.
Grounded. You're grounded.
I'm grounded.
End of rant.
Sorry, rant over. So I'm trying to get cool shots and do cool things, but it's just like so annoying. And that's technology. That's where technology is in 2017.
Also, your hands are frozen.
And I'm freezing. I'm sitting here freezing my butt off, and it's like, nah, you can't fly your drone because you need to sign into your account.
And we've been carrying it everywhere.
We've been carrying this all day.
Oh well, we'll figure it out.
Sorry, a little icky.
You're grounded. nothing's really open right now, but it looks so cozy. Look inside there. They have a fire going. An actual fire along the river.
I bet you this is open later, or
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
it's open in the summer, because it seems only like half open right now.
It looks like they're working on things, but they have Christmas stuff up, so you'd
Yeah.
think that it would be open. Maybe the weekend.
That could be.
So maybe starting tonight and then going into the weekend?
A market by the river looks cool.
Yeah, we don't know what it is. We'll have to figure out what this market is. Supposedly it's called Holt's Market and it's a Christmas market. Some of these obviously look like they're here longer term, but it's open tonight, which is Friday, through the weekend. So I think it's only a weekend thing, he said, and only Christmas. So
Got it.
yeah,
It's pretty cool looking.
maybe we'll come back.
Maybe.
We have the weekend.
Yeah.
Follow that truck! There's a party going on somewhere. That is crazy. What is that called? A disco ball? That's
It is
the
a
biggest
massive disco ball.
I've ever seen on the road.
I do like how so far in Berlin, we're seeing just a bunch of really interesting, eclectic stuff.
Yeah, but it is such an interesting city. Like, I think that they pride themselves on being that way, but yeah, like even the market we just stumbled upon, it looked super bohemian looking, and there are tents everywhere, which is really cool. I don't know, and they have posters everywhere. It's like they embrace the poster. Some
Yeah.
places, like some cities, they like have posted no postage, no posters, but here it's literally everywhere.
I wonder if this is just sort of the style of East Berlin. It's a little bit
Yeah.
bohemian, a little punky, a little grungy,
Little hipstery.
a little hipstery at the same time. Yeah.
I didn't know much about Berlin, and actually somebody said in the comments that they would thought that Berlin would just be like a bunch of cement buildings, which is a lot of cement, but it is really cool. Like the way that they've done this city is so unique.
It's like you can't throw a stone in Berlin at Christmas time without hitting into a Christmas market. We're just walking down the street.
We're wandering.
We're wandering, just literally exploring, and we come across this place again in East Berlin, and it's a giant carnival and
Yeah.
Christmas market. They got Glühwein just behind us, and they have all kinds of foods and lots of carnival rides.
That's like Egg Beater Extreme. You know the Egg Beater one?
Oh,
but
yeah.
like to the extreme, like so fast. Kind of makes me dizzy just watching it. My eyeballs.
Drauf warten, bis das Christkind kommt zwischen Träumen aus Mandeln und Zimt. Weihnacht, Weihnacht.
That is so cool. A singing moose. This is feeling so Christmassy.
Yeah, singing moose, the hallmark of Christmas.
And the spider being jumped down and people playing games, and I think it's so fun. They have gingerbread everywhere. Maybe you should get a gingerbread.
And churros, classic German Christmas cuisine.
A hot dog. Look. Oh yeah, bratwurst.
A half meter long. Look at this. This is big.
Huge, like this long. It's not like one of those people telling the whole fish story, you know, like my fish was this big, my bratwurst was this big, for real. I'm scared. There we go.
We got a half a meter long bratwurst.
€4.
€4. A little pricey for what it is, but it's delightful.
It's really good. And we're on our way home, so we were like, well, we should get something to eat. €4, not bad for this. It's been a good day. The chef.
So we're headed home now. We just had a wander day just to see what it was like to wander around Berlin. We saw some cool sights. We were accosted once. We had a hot dog.
We got gloves.
It was great.
Service for the winter time.
Good all around. It was a good experience of the culture here, you know?
Yeah. We're liking Berlin. Berlin. I mean, yeah, it's a very comfortable city to just
totally.
hang out and walk around and.
And literally everyone we've come in contact with, aside from the one bus operator, has spoken English.
Yeah,
so
we haven't had any
we've been very
problems.
fortunate in that way.
Everybody's really nice, except for the one guy that was mad today about the.
He was literally a punk kid. I can say that. Literally a punk kid. He
Josh
was like,
had an old man moment.
I did. I was like, that was actually a punk kid. I was like, oh. You're like, he was literally just trying to cause problems. So.
Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed Berlin with us today, and we, hope we encourage you to get out and travel. We'll
Come
see
to
you
Berlin
next-
in the wintertime. Just dress warmly.
Yeah, exactly.
Hasta
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.